Alright, so this here is how to install a tachometer in your 1994 Crown Victoria. This should work. I know it works back to 92. Not sure how new it goes, but for 94 this is how you do it. So if you have an aftermarket head unit, like I do, then when you install it you have certain wires left over. You have an ignition power wire, which is white with a purple stripe. You have a ground, which is just black, and you have a dimmer wire, which is blue with a purple stripe. Now those three wires you need to hook onto your gauge, which depending on what gauge you have will determine what color those wires are. I don't know if all gauges are the same, so you have to look up the diagram for your gauge and figure that out. For the signal for your tachometer, you have to tap into the second wire in from the left of this thing here. And that is where your tachometer signal will come from. You just run a wire through the firewall, which isn't easy, but yeah, you have to do that. And you just hook that onto it, and then you're done.